Welcome to Summer Math Camp at STCC 2020. We are pleased to have our STEM students joining us for this program. We have students from Optics and Photonics, Mechanical Engineering Technology, and Electronic Systems Engineering Technology joining us this summer. We hope that this program will help you succeed in your chosen field through an exploration of math concepts and applications. Throughout this 2-week period, there will be many math principles covered. As you can see, we have a number of activities scheduled to assess your math and to help hone your math acumen. We will start the 2 weeks with a pretest that will gauge your base knowledge of mathematics. Then over the course of the time, you will engage in different lessons, homework assignments, and tutoring to help you build your skill. After completing those lessons and other work, you will be retested at the end of the program to see how your math skill has increased. There is no set schedule for when you need to accomplish your work. You have the option of doing your work in your own time. Do note that there will be events that take place at specific times, but you will be given notice. There will also be support from our STEM Center tutors and Dr. Vanessa Hill, Professor of Mathematics. Your participation in the program does not conclude at the end of these 2 weeks, however. Once the program completes, the STEM Center will continue to be here to check on you. We'd ask that you check in with the mentors from the program, as well as the grant director of the HSI STEM grant monthly to let them know how you are progressing in your program. The tutors will also be of resource to you, and they will talk to you about how they can continue to work with you. We'd also ask that you participate in various events that the STEM Center holds. You will be given advance notice of these events, and we'd hope that you plan accordingly. You can see each week you'll work on different topics. These topics have been chosen because they reflect the kinds of math that are required for your programs. During week 1, there will be a review of scientific notation, linear equations, quadratic equations, and rational equations. Week 2 will focus on unit conversions and solving formula, trigonometry, and an introduction to exponential and logarithmic equations. Working with you during the program will be Dr. Vanessa Hill, Professor of Mathematics, Rachel Foltz, Head Tutor for the STEM Center, and Jonathan Peliquin, STEM Center Tutor. Their contact information is being provided here as a part of this orientation, and it's also available through your Blackboard program shell. The Blackboard shell is the place where you'll be able to access the program. Jonathan and Rachel will schedule group tutoring sessions through Google Meet or Zoom. While it is great if you have a camera for these virtual sessions, it is not mandatory. However, we ask that you remain engaged. They will also be available through Blackboard discussion boards and emails. In addition to providing tutoring support, Rachel and Jonathan will also talk to you about STCC and what it's like being a student at the college, answering questions that you may have. Here's a list of additional supports, both during and after the program. Please feel free to reach out to them if you have any questions. This program is sponsored by the HSI STEM Grant. This grant funds various STEM projects at STCC to help students go into, persist through, and complete STEM degrees. Here is a sampling of the kinds of projects that the grant has supported, including, but not limited to, the creation of a STEM center, hosting guest speakers, providing STEM outreach for local youth, and hosting the Majors and Career Fair each semester. The STEM Center is open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. for studying, computer use, proctoring for exams and quizzes, tutoring, and special presentations. Until further notice, due to COVID-19, many of our services are being offered remotely. Once the campus and the STEM Center resume normal activity on the campus of STCC, the entire campus community, including you, will be notified. In the meantime, you can reach out via email for assistance virtually. We look forward to assisting you in person once it is safe to do so. Please reach out to the STEM Center at stemcenter@stcc.edu. Through this program and through the STEM Center, we are here to support you. Congratulations for being a part of MathCamp at STCC 2020. We look forward to working with you.